Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for December and it is Glossybox and it's come in this special edition tin. It's really pretty. It's got Glossybox on the side there. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £13.50 a month. You can opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside this tin you'll find 6 products and it has a value of £74. Any discount codes I can find, I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and any other offers they have on their website, including limited editions. They've got a Christmas limited edition beauty bag still available, so I'll pop all that information down below, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Plus you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside the tin. I haven't opened it up yet. I just had a quick look on their website just to find out any extra information, and that is it basically. So we've got a QR code. So the theme is under the glossy tree, so I'll scan that in a minute. There we go. What is this? What is this? Oh, I've got a little sample there. There you go. You're having a first look. It's all mixed up with all the worms. Story behind the box. Join us for a classic glossy festive season this year, full of colour, sparkle and all things glossy. We want you to enjoy every moment of this magical time of year. Now is the time for fun, colourful makeup looks and trying the new beauty must-haves you've always wanted to. Go for it and don't forget to stay glossy. First up, we've got an eyeshadow palette from Lottie London, and it's a quad palette called the Rose Golds. This is full size and can be bought for £4.95. Okay, do a bit of swatch on my hand. Really pretty colours. We've got 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So we've got an eyeshadow palette there. Oh, we've got a product from Korres. It's a Greek brand. This is the Poreless Skin Cream. I've wanted to try this as well. It contains hyaluronic acid to smooth and balance. There is 20 mils there. I've tried a few products from Korres and I bought their advent calendar as well, and yeah, I can't wait to try their products. I can't wait. So looking on the QR code then, because it gives me more information about the products. This is full size. I'm assuming as it's 20 mils, it's like a mini full size, as in you can buy it for this size for £14.50. I'm guessing you can buy larger sizes. The weightless formula glides across the skin to provide all-day hydration, infused with a brand Santorini grape extract, antioxidant rich ingredient that helps to remove excess oil and minimise the look of pores. Salicylic acid works to remove dead skin cells while refining the appearance of pores and imperfections. Give it a go on my hand. I just love the sound of it. It just sounds amazing. Santorini. I'm obsessed with Santorini. Santorini grape. But the fact that it's a poreless cream, well, it feels really nice. I only just put a little bit on there, but does it smell? Very, very light. It's not strong at all. But it just smells really nice and fresh. Yeah, I like that. And it does feel nice. So we've got a poreless skin cream there. Next we've got something for your hair. This is by Brave New Hair. It's Coconut Cuddle. It's a hair cream with coconut oil, quinoa and green walnut. Oh, you can hear a motorbike just going past. There's 50 mils there. This is deluxe size and it is worth £14. Our lightweight coconut formula provides weightless hydration and keeps the hair protected against the heat damage while detangling it. Our formula is enriched with quinoa to nourish and illuminate deeply, and green walnut to protect against UV-induced damage, leaving your hair shiny and still. And then it goes on to tell you how to use it. Then we got a makeup brush. This is by Spectrum and it's in collaboration, I'm assuming, by Glossy. It's got Glossy on there. And this is a tapered blender, a B06. I've just bought myself some Spectrum brushes. There was a sale on, there still is. I posted up everywhere on my Facebook page, community tab on here, Instagram and things like that. And yeah, I've got myself a Katie Jane Hughes big set of Spectrum brushes. Oh, I love it. I'm obsessed with brushes. But yeah, this is really pretty. I really like that. So it's clear and then you got a fluffy top. There. £18.99. So we got a blending eyeshadow brush to go with this palette. Next we've got a blush. This is MUA Makeup Academy and Glossybox. They're in collaboration, Glossybox. It's a blush liquid blush cream in Dusky Rose. And this is full size and retails for £3. We've got 10 mils here, which in all honesty, I think is a really decent size for a blush because you literally only need a dot. Look at that. And look at the mess I'm about to make. So you need a lot less than what you think. Well, it depends on what the shade is. Yeah, that's pretty. I think that's really nice. Has it got a bit of a shimmer to it? It does. Liquid cream blush, Dusky Rose. It looks like it's a little bit dewy, but that could be because I've got the chorus cream underneath. So yeah, it's really pretty, and it says that you can use it on your lips as well. Now the last item is a lucky dip. You will receive a nail polish from Nails Inc, but you will receive one of two colours. I've got Mayfair Lane, and this is full size. So you'll either receive that one, which costs £11, or you'll receive, it's more of a duskier pink. This is more like a nudie pink. The other one is more of a duskier pink, and that's called Bear With Me. And again, that is £11. Sorry about the lines, it's the camera. The camera doesn't do well with it. But yeah, so it's more, so you'll either get more of a nudie pink or more of a dusky pink, and they're both £11, and they're both gel effect nail polishes. But yeah, I love that shade actually. I do really like that. So there you go. So those are all the products in this month's Glossybox subscription box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We got Brave New Hair Coconut Cuddle, a hair mask. We got Lottie London, the Rose Golds, a quad eyeshadow palette. We've got a Spectrum B06 blending eyeshadow brush. We've got a Korres Poreless Skin Cream Moisturiser. We've got an MUA and Glossybox Blushed Liquid Blusher. And the last item is the nail polish. You'll get one of two shades, and I've got Mayfair Lane, and this is by Nails Inc. It's a gel polish. And they've added in a little sample of Me Plus Hyaluronic Acid Cleanser with Niacinamide. And this is to moisturise. Ooh, I don't know. I haven't seen this brand before. But it's a little sachet there. And then you got this keepsake tin. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? I love the pink theme, but I do think being Christmas, it would have been nice to see more reds. But then I know reds aren't for everyone. I'm thinking red lipstick, red nail polish. But then we always seem to get that, don't we? I don't know, I'm a bit like... But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think though. Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to receive it? Or are you watching this wondering, shan't I subscribe this month? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.